What's up everyone? It's me, Tom, totally in disguise, bringing you our weekly news flash updates. Well, actually, last week was an American holiday and so things were a little bit quieter over here, so we don't have a news flash for you today on this Tuesday, but we know you have got to stay on that scheduled content grind. So here's our Tuesday video just for you. We want to say we love you, we appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking, dropping comments. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please spread the word. Tell your creator friends about Creator Insider. We will be back next Tuesday with a news flash that will be chock full of lots of things. Can guarantee that. How does Tom sign off? Keep it real. Also, I have what is probably the hardest movie quote we've ever had on the channel. Toto, I've got a feeling we're not in Kansas anymore. What movie is this from? What year did that movie come out? Drop it down below. We'll see you next video.